Hi friends, welcome to Sri Sai IT Hub. In this video of core Python programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python list collection, which is a sequence data type. So first of all, what is this list? So list is a collection of data, multiple data or single data. So it stores a sequence of different type of data or same type of data. And Python lists are mutable. So once created, we can modify the original data. So coming to list. So list is highly used in Python to store most of the collections of data. And list is represented in square brackets and the elements are separated with commas. For example, list 1, 1001, psi 6.2, true. So here list is a collection of different type of data. Next, list 2, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. It is a collection of same type of data. So we can print type of list 1, type of list 2. So it is of type list class. So coming to some technical points related to the list. So list is an ordered collection of elements, and list provides indexes to the collection of data or elements. And list elements are mutable. Once created, we can modify them, update them, delete them. And then lists capable of storing same type of data or different type of data. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python lists example 1. Right, so first take comments at the beginning of the program. So next I'm taking list 1, 1001, psi 6.2, true. List 2, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So print type of list 1, type of list 2. Right. So save this. Come to the command prompt where you have saved this and run it. Python list example1.py. So both of them are of type class list, because in Python everything is an object, and for that object you will have a corresponding class. So next, coming to equality of list. So we can do comparison of list with double equals to, which is a relational operator and returns true or false. So list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So list 2, 11, 55, 33, 22, 44. See, both the list have same elements, but order is different. So print list 1 equals to list 2. So since the order is different, you will get the answer as false. Run the program. False. So next, list 2, I'm changing it to again same as list 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. So now list 1 equals to list 2. Yes, number of elements are same, order of elements are same, and data or value of elements are also same. Okay, so order is same, number of elements are same, and even data is same. So all three are same: order, number, data. So both are equal. So you will get the answer as true. So this is how we are supposed to work with what is list and how to create a list in Python programming. So list is a sequence collection of same type of data or different type of data. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.